Okay, guys, what is going on? Billyazprospector. I thought I'd throw this video up as quick as I can because I just ran down to my local LCS, local coin shop, to see what was going on. I woke up this morning. Today is Saturday the 14th, and was watching some markets yesterday and seeing what was going on just after, Trump's most recent announcement on everything related to the pandemic and with the coronavirus. And with that said, just trying to see what was going on. Well, waking up this morning and I saw the prices of metals dropping everywhere. So at close of market on Friday, guys, I think we saw gold drop $45 on spot, putting it right around 15.29. Silver dropped $1.11, putting silver spot at 14.69. Platinum really remained unfazed. Palladium's down $45 as well at 16.98. So what does this mean for everybody? Well, when I went into my local LCS, I noticed that all the constitutional silver, the 90% stuff, was pulled. It was completely off the shelf. Couldn't find it anywhere. Matter of fact, the only thing that they were telling me that they had for sale was no gold. Gold was gone. So no gold available to purchase, and all they had available were the recent bars that they had bought actually straight from someone like Atmex, like I had right in this area here. So he was saying nobody was coming in and selling. That was the only way that they were going to be able to get more product out on the shelf. And I happened to have my son with me. We were looking at actually going in to pick up some constitutional silver, some 90% stuff, just to see what they had. And I was quite surprised to see that they actually had pulled everything, and they just said that they were out. So not really sure what to think there. So kind of what's going on with the economy, guys. So what I'm hearing, what I've been able to read so far is that a lot of the investors right now, the equity losses that people are seeing on the markets right now, just because of the scare of everything going on with the stock market, typically we see just a different reaction for the metals. When the stock market prices are going down, typically metals are going up. So not really sure what's going on from that perspective. But what I'm hearing is that the equity losses that are happening on the market right now are causing the investors to sell everything. And that's having a huge impact right now in the metal market, particularly with silver and palladium. So the interesting thing with that is right now it's the perfect time to buy silver. Gold probably is not a bad purchase either, but I think for the money, everybody's been talking about silver for a while and trying to jump on it. So as an example, my son, who just had a birthday, had some birthday money and decided, after I bought these Atmex bars behind here, decided to pick up these Sunshine. And typically, if I'm not mistaken, these usually have a premium on them. And so these were actually, they marked everything up on the silver right now is $2 over spot. Typically, it's $1 over spot. And so what that did is it put these right around $16 and I believe 69 cents is what they were selling this stuff. It might have been 16.69. So it was $2 over spot. Still, when I went on eBay just now, these Sunshine Mint 1 ounce rounds were selling for, I think there's one right now going for $24. So now's the time to buy it if you can get it, guys. Silver's down. I think it'll, it's definitely going to come back. It has to. There's no reason for it to fall any further. So it's a Boston Tea Party, Don't Tread on Me. So that's kind of a neat 1 ounce coin. And so he picked those up, and I told him if he ended up not wanting them, I would just buy them from him. So he had, it's kind of funny, he had some more cash on him than I thought. I had picked these up. So what I went in and did, I wasn't going to buy any 1 ounce rounds, but I went ahead and just picked these up. These are the Atmex, and they actually told me that they had to buy these straight from online to secure these, or from another dealer to get them. And so nothing too fancy about them. You guys have probably seen these before, so I went ahead and just picked those up. And American Precious Metal Exchange. and I might go ahead and actually jump back online and actually acquire some more, because I don't think that any of these were actually available on the website when I went on after I walked out of the shop. So just want to kind of throw that out there, guys. As many of you guys are, if you're hoarding toilet paper right now like everybody else seems to be doing, maybe you can spare some toilet paper money and go buy some silver right now, just to kind of see what's going on with that. Outside of that, there's still some talk that, depending on what kind of comes out over the next couple days, this next week is really going to be telling with this whole virus thing, to see what's going on. But I think now is a perfect time to buy. So I hit up some people I knew that are currently stacking, and I think that you need to not pass this up, guys. So I think this is the least expensive that I bought silver in probably, I want to say, probably the last 10 years, if I'm not mistaken. And I also wanted to show you real quick as far as like the silver chart the last 30 days. So when we started out February, guys, we were sitting right around $17.50, right around the second week of February. And then by the third week, probably around the 24th, we had saw a spike right around the $18.50, call it almost $19. I think it was like $18.77 was the high for the last 30 days. I'm getting that reference from Kitco. And then right after the February 24th, we saw a decrease, and that's when we started hearing a lot of more rumors around some of the metals. The coronavirus, so metals started to drop, plus, the stock markets were starting to drop pretty good too. So within 4 days, we were right above, we lost almost $2 an ounce. We went from $18.77 to just above $16.50. And then we saw a little bit of an increase over the start of this month. And now from yesterday, we took a huge dive. We went down $2. So quite another big drop. But again, the lowest I've seen it in a long time. I think now is the time to get it. And so there you have it. If there's anything else that you guys have questions about, be sure to hit me up on this comment video just down below, just to kind of talk through this. And I'm actually going to jump off because I'm going to go on AppMex right now and see if I can't secure some more. So I'll catch you guys soon.